how to fix any problem that you have with any effect or filter on TikTok app. Welcome back guys to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix any filter or effect problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. As you can see, when you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to click on TikTok app and then click on this force stop option and then go to the storage or the internal storage. Click on this clear cache to clear all this cache here. As you can see, I have 8 megabytes of cache. After that, go back, click on the data usage and then make sure to enable all those options from here. Go back, click on the open by default, click on open supported links in this app, click on ask every time, and the last thing you want to do is update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store.